Hi there, I'm Sanyasin Deyandev, but you can call me Dhyandev. Let me share a bit about my journey, which I believe has been quite unique and in many ways enlightening. Based on my extensive experience and deep knowledge, I've been guiding many through traditional yoga meditation techniques, which has been incredibly beneficial for people in the modern world. I emphasize that yoga asanas, widely known and practiced in the West, are just the beginning of the yoga journey. The physical practice of yoga, as most are familiar with, is actually just the foundational stage of a much deeper journey. I often say that to truly understand oneself, we need to move beyond these basics. Yoga isn't just about physical flexibility or strength. It's about discovering and understanding the self that lies deep within us. Under my guidance, practitioners move beyond physical exercises to stages of concentration and meditation. This process becomes an invaluable tool for finding inner peace and balance amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. I use my experience and knowledge to help practitioners control their senses, enhance their focus, and ultimately reach a natural state of meditation. This practice is particularly important for people today. We live in a world inundated with information, often losing touch with our inner voice. My traditional yoga meditation techniques offer a way to find oneself, improve concentration, and experience mental peace amidst these modern challenges. My teachings extend beyond gym workouts, offering a balanced way of life that can be practiced in everyday living. My deep wisdom and experience significantly contribute to helping many explore their inner selves through yoga and improve their quality of life.